Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix like this type of error, and also I will give you this JupiterX theme absolutely free. I will give you this link in my video description. So if you got something like this type of error, basically this is coming like your internet connection. So if you click on my video description link, and then you will get something like this type of thing. So just you need to create an account in this website, and when you create an account in this website, then you can access that thing. So I just go to the create new account in this website, and here I just need to input here the first name and last name, email address, and also payment email address also. Okay, so I just input here the name. My name is MD, and I just need to input here my email address. I input here my email address, and I just need to again input my email address also here, and click on this register button. So I already create an account, and here as you can see this is active and a free user. So I don't want to purchase here something like this, or I don't want to pay them. First I just want to download this theme in the free. So when I create an account in this website, and as you can see I got a new option, this is download option. So I just need to click on this download button. So when you click on this download button, it's automatically start to download, and you can access this file. So as you can see, this is a zip file. So if you want to download this, just simply click on this OK button, and it's automatically start download. I've already uploaded that theme in my website, and I got something like this, and I got an error. So how to fix this? So go to your cPanel and click on this public HTML, and when you click on this public HTML, then you will get something like this type of PHP codes. And just you need to find out here this wp config, and click on this edit button, and click on edit button. And here you just need to go to here like this define wp debug here, and I've already give you another video link in my video description. So if you check this, then in this video link, or in this video description, I already provide some link of there. So just you need to follow up this number 3 of the step. Just you need to follow up this. So just copy here this code, this define code, copy this and go to here and paste this link into there. So click on the save changes button. Let me check that thing, it's working as well or not. Go to my website again and reload that thing. As you can see, this problem is gone, and I hope guys you can fix this problem, and it's help you. So if you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new on my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thank you.